Well, I'm looking at this drawing because I'm told that the plant schedule's not updating. The schedule says 16 gCADPlus in the design. What I've done is taken one of the examples, one of the symbols, and I've copied it many times, and I now want to just test that, and gCADPlus update the schedule, and clearly the number doesn't change. So there is a problem with the drawing. The other issue is, if we go here to the layers, there are 602 entities in the drawing on layer 0. And if we use one of the neat tools in gCADPlus and we go isolate a layer, and we isolate layer 0, there's in fact nothing in layer 0. So for mine, the design is really corrupted in some way or another. Let's turn all of the layers back on. Right click here, all on. The first thing that I would try, firstly I'll remove these newly copied entities, and we'll remove some of those entities that I added when we were trying things out. What I'd do to remove some of the potential for clashes, I would use a crossing window and copy them all to the clipboard, then start a brand new drawing without a template at all, and we click in here and paste from the clipboard, put all of that information at 0, 0. Let's zoom extents, and in it goes. I'll say view background color white, and I'll go format and point styles and take off the points, make them not visible, and there we are. Let's try that same trick. There's gCADPlus. We'll copy it and bang, and we'll see if we can update it. Maybe before we try that, we'll just have a look at layer 0, and there's only one entity on it now, which in fact is the schedule. So we've made a major change to that potential problem drawing by just moving it across and putting it in, put the data into a new environment. So gCADPlus, and update the plant schedule, and there we are. We now have 31. So if you are faced with a drawing that has some problems with it, just experiment by grabbing everything in model space, throwing it into a new drawing and testing, and see if you avoid the problems that you're experiencing.